Today we're showing you a Ford 1720 four-wheel drive tractor with a Ford 7108 front loader. Tractor was a local trade-in, has approximately 2,700 hours on it. It is a pretty clean little tractor yet. Starts, runs, and works as it should with no known issues. The tractor is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it will sell as is, where is, but again, no known mechanical issues. Front bucket is in nice shape on it. Has the 7108 Ford loader. That is a quick attach loader. Top of the hood has seen some damage over the years. It's certainly not bad for the age, but it does have a little bit of a couple creases where somebody had dented it and then tried to knock it out. It looks like they touched it up here. Overall, a nice looking little tractor. The tire tread is worn down on the tractor, front and back. Probably have approximately 10 to 15% tread life left. However, the tires are foam filled, so you certainly will not be getting any flats with these tires. A little bit of damage back here. If you're in the market for a little four-wheel drive tractor to do some chores or to maintain your property, this might be a really nice fit. It's an inexpensive tractor. These tractors have really had a good reputation over the years. This one is no exception. Looks like the current hours are 23.2. It does have the mechanical shuttle right here in the column, 4 gears to the right of the steering wheel, and then 3 ranges down here. So 12-speed transmission, four-wheel drive engagement right there beside the seat. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We can offer or arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. Again, this is one of our budget-friendly tractors. We stock approximately 130 to 150 used tractors on our yard. You can check our current inventory at massedtractor.com.